I'm Alexia Williams, Technical Lead at Rolls-Royce. So I've just done a talk about my journey from apprentice to technical lead, any tips and advice for young people and also for employers on how to attract more young people to come into their business and fill that skills gap. For young people especially, they can learn about what's going on in the industry, the latest technologies coming up, but it's also a way for employers to learn about new ways in which they can bring on new people, young people especially, to try and fill some of the skills gaps that they have within the industry. And talks like this afternoon, it's all about skills and talent and bringing those people in. A young person coming to industries like this and events is about meeting new people, meeting new companies, getting your network out there, but also actually learning about what you're passionate about, what you enjoy, what you're interested in, so that when you do go into career, you know exactly what you want to go after, what you want to do and where you want to go in your career. For me, I've travelled around, seen different things, seen different people and talks. So for me, it was about seeing what else is going on, what's coming up, and meeting new people more than anything. I'm looking forward to the panel session later today in the skills and talent section, and also just seeing what else is around, meeting new people and seeing what I can take back to Rolls-Royce.